Hello everyone. For this moment, I would like to share something with you about economic growth of the automotive industry. Before we go to the topic, let me show you the table of contents. Number one is about me. Number two is about economic growth of the automotive industry. Number three is about table and chart, and the last one is about flowchart. Okay, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Febrina with ID number is 3111811052. I am 20 years old. I'm a student at Batam State Polytechnic with a major business management and study program is accounting. Next, what will I explain? Let's start. The performance of the transportation equipment industry during the COVID-19 period experienced considerable pressure. The production of the automotive industry has decreased drastically. Even some manufacturers don't produce and only rely on the sale of existing stock. This is a response to the sluggish domestic market in the consumption of durable goods, including automotive. Then, the car production the third quarter of 2020 amount to 113,563 units, or an increase compared to the second quarter of 2020 of 41,520 units. However, when compared to the previous year, car products still decreased significantly by 68.5%. This decrease occurred in all car segments, with the large decline occur in the truck segment with a capacity of more than 24 tons, minus 91.9%. Commercial bus, minus 80.6%. The multi-purpose vehicle or MPV car segment with a capacity of 1,500 to 2,000 cc minus 77.4%, and sport car with a capacity of 1,500 to 3,000 cc minus 76%. Next, car sales data is one indicator to determine the purchasing power of the middle class. In the third quarter of 2020, car sales reached 111,114 units, an increase compared to the second quarter of 2020 of 24,042 units. However, sales of the car decreased by minus 89.4% compared to the previous year. The large decline in car sales occurred in the truck segment with a capacity of more than 24 tons, minus 73.8%, and truck with a capacity 5 to 24 tons, minus 58.8%. The bus segment with a capacity of 5 to 24 tons, minus 62.2%, as well as the MPV car segment with a capacity of less than 1,500 cc, minus 66.1%. Then, the decline in sales in the segment of truck and bus due to the productive sector which have not been recovered. The decline in the passenger car segment due to the decrease in public income or the disposable income due to the weakening of the national economic as well due to the pandemic COVID-19. The economic stimulus is expected to increase public confidence as well as restore people purchasing power for their daily needs, including cars and motorcycle. Business expectation, sales of car and motorcycle will also increase along with the implementation of economic recovery measures are more massive. Next, the prospect. Next, the prospect for the recovery of the manufacturing industry in the future show a positive trend. This can be seen in the improvement of Indonesia Purchasing Manager Index (PMI). The development of the PMI value show an improvement in the expectation of business actors who primarily hope that economic conditions will gradually improve, which is followed by progress in handling the global pandemic and the success of vaccine discovery. However, aspects of PMI that still needs to be considered are employment, supply chains which are not expected to recover in a short time, as well as an increase in input price. Next, the chart and table explain the growth in car sales in the second and third quarter of 2020 in accordance with what has been described previously. And now, I want to explain about the source. How should you to know source CEC? About CEC, CEC found in 90 and 92 by a team of expert economic and analysis. CEC data is the surface of choice for economic and investment research by economic analysis, investor, corporation, and universities around the world. Next, about CEC users. CEC users encompass anyone who needs accurate and timely macroeconomic data, and our users include the world-leading investment bank, investment manager, academic institution, government institution, consultant, think tank, and corporation. Next, in this moment, I will show you about business process flowchart of car sales. Before we go to this topic, I want you to know what is the flowchart. Flowchart is a diagram that show the connection between the different steps of a process or part of a system. Okay, now have a look to this flowchart. You can see the step-by-step for them to do the business process of car sales. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you can learn something about economic growth of the automotive industry, especially for car production, car sales data, and business process of car sales. And you have any question, please comment in comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys.